Legends, welcome back. This is the latest edition of the Drip Dispatch. So we already know we got 4 more days. 1 November 2022 is going to be the launch date. Forex made a couple of posts today. First one, good news, guys. Just got out of the auditing meeting, and our audit passed with flying colors. I wouldn't have expected anything less. We will be able to publish the audit within the next 48 hours. New weekly Medium article has been published. We added 2 writers to the team, which allows us to produce a new article every week, updating the community on what happened and what's to come. That's really, really good. He's listening to what we're asking for. And I will include the link for this article. I'll make sure that I put it in there because I know sometimes I'll be forgetting. Next up was, he says there's an interview tomorrow at noon with Crypto Atlas. I'm assuming it's going to be an AMA or an interview. I don't know. It's a difference because he did the interview with the lady when the Animal Farm first came out, the new UI. So we'll have to see. So I'm going to assume it's just a regular interview and not the AMA. He said we also will be announcing the winner of our last promo contest, and someone will win $5,000. Okay, we started a new contest, and it's up on the current landing page. We also pushed some updates to the site, such as removing the single asset dog pool as it's been replaced by the dog pound. Dog. Okay, we also made major progress on the Fiat On ramp for all our assets. I'm assuming that's supposed to be our assets. We essentially got approved. Now we just need to set it up, which will not take long. Fiat On ramp is going to be huge because it would allow people to buy our tokens on our site with credit or debit, and this opens a ton of options moving forward, including the ability for people to set up kiosk in their establishments. So if you're a business owner and just think it this way. If you're a business owner, you can sell drip at that in your kiosk, as well as when Scratchy comes, you can add Scratchy as well. Man, Legends, you know it is always about options. Having one single thing is not it. It's all about options. And our leader, our dev, the best dev in the business, is doing what I'm telling you. The Fiat On ramp is going to be spectacular because now when you say somebody's new, really, really new to crypto, they don't have to go to crypto.com, do the KYC, send the purchase the BNB. Well, first off, link it to their bank account, send the BNB to their MetaMask or the Robbie wallet, then purchase it. They'll be able to go straight in to Drip or the Animal Farm and buy whatever they want to buy. This is going to be big. Legends, prepare yourself. And I have said it over and over, and I know all the other YouTubers say the same thing. Drip is it. To me personally, I really don't give a damn about the Animal Farm. The Animal Farm is always going to be second for me. There is nothing like Drip. I don't have to do the gaming. I don't have to do all of that. Drip is number one for me and will always be number one. I don't care what comes along. Nothing has come close to Drip. Drip has been consistent, 260 days every day. Well, past that, 560 days, excuse me. My thing is the faucet. That's why I even said the other day I was thinking about selling my pigs and buying some more Drip, opening up another wallet and buying more Drip at this price. It's like I say, I could care. I divulge. Let me keep going. Anyhow, I just want to get this out to you, to all the legends. So remember, the MPs are there. You guys you legends have the weekend. If you need to review, if you have any questions, I'm here. Ask the questions. Dominic, if you're listening, I answered your question. Please let me know if that in the comment. If that's not good enough, answer, respond to it. If you want me to put it to the rest of the legends, that'll give you, there's 660 something legends. So we can take your same question. I can post it into a Drip Dispatch, and you can have some of the legends give feedback on what they would do. We're all in this together. It's all the legends are united. This is the League of Legends. Let me write that down. I'm gonna have to use that. This is the League of Legends. Anyhow, so remember, this is always for informational, educational purposes only. Never intended as any type of financial advice, because I am not a financial advisor. So don't be looking to me for that. And like I say, my opinion is my opinion. This is an individual endeavor. I'm going to do what's best for me, my family, and my family's finances, as I expect you to do the same. That's the only way to go into crypto. Now, we have the best community and the best development team in all of crypto. Hands down, there's nothing else to say. Say less. And we now have the ability to increase our knowledge and reduce our risk. That's what the entire MP series is for. It is for you to get in there, watch the video. Oh, well, since I get a lot of questions of what is a COP? There is a whole MP, Mission Possible video on COPs, which are the circles of prosperity. You can watch the video. It explains what it is, explains you how to create your own to meet your financial goal. Anyhow, let me keep going. So, legends, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to all of my legends, stay ready. Make sure you got those coins and tokens out of the coma and ready for Tuesday, whenever it's going to launch. Now, to all of my legends, engage.